So let's say you're in the middle of a Google Meet and you have some content that you'd like to share with the attendees. If you look for this little button down here, it kind of looks like a screen with an up arrow on it. If you hover over it, it says Present Now. That's the button you want to click. All right, so click on that, and then you'll get the option to share your entire screen, which means everything that shows up on your screen will be visible to the attendees. Or you can show a specific window, or you can show a specific tab. For this one, I'm going to show a specific tab. And then when I click on that, I get the option to select the tab I want to share. I'm going to share blended learning. So it automatically switches to that tab. And then I can do whatever I need to on this tab, and that's what everyone will see. So if we're going to do a lesson on blended learning, I can go through this. Everyone will see it. And we can conduct a training that way. And that is how you share and present your screen in a Google Meet.